Okay, hi everyone. Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all of you. Okay, today I'm going to explain about our lab activity, regarding WAN. Okay, all right. So title of this task actually is to configuring basically point-to-point link using a static routes. Yeah. Okay. So here is the objective. First of all, build a network topology using this Cisco packet tracer and also physical lab environment. This one later. Okay, later I'm planning to do that. Okay. Okay. So next, configure basic setting, which is host name, password, IP addresses on routers and also end devices. Yeah. And then configure serial interface to establish a point-to-point WAN connection between two branch office routers. Yeah. And then implement routing solution, which is static routing to enable interLAN communication. Yeah. And then this one, verify end-to-end connectivity, either local or non-local, using ping and also trace route command. Okay, so all this later I will tell you what you have to do, because this all verification you need to get a report on that, yeah, to prove. All right. So next, the third is topology and IP addressing scheme as stated in packet tracer. This you can open your packet tracer and then there is a mention about this. I mean, IP addressing similar that we did before, yeah, in our previous lab assessment. So the instruction number 4, build the topology as usual based on the topology in the packet tracer. You have to create that. And similar style of also during later on in, let's say if we use a lab, later I will ask you to do that similar things. This same style lab sheet I will give to you. So basically, using packet tracer, as I told you, is 100%, almost 99% represent the physical work, right? So first, you need to cable the network. Okay, connect PC to their respective switches, and then connect switches to their respective local routers, and also this. Okay, what you can when you do this, okay, you will notice that some, I mean, interfaces like this one, yeah, G00 and also serial maybe not available. Okay, maybe no, I'm not sure. Okay, right? So maybe not available. So you have to sort it out. I think most of you know how to sort it out. You have to shut off the machine and then put that card, and then you shut, I mean, on again, turn on again, and then see if there is a, you try, because there are many module there for each of the devices for router and so switches. You just put it there, whether you can see. If not, at least you can find G00 whatsoever. Try to sort it out. Okay, some, I think there is a couple of labs. We got a problem with that. So either using fast internet or G, but this one I want to you find out. Yeah. So if you can find these interfaces, that's good. Okay. All right. So this also will count as your effort, yeah, to get the marks. And for this serial also, please sort it out. If not available, okay, turn off and then put the serial card and also turn it on back. Yeah. Okay. And then configure and device as usual. And also for the next one is configure basic routing, which is same that we did before. So this is a command. Okay, some requirement, the password. Okay, don't put any other password, because this is a practice, so easy for me to evaluate later. Okay. All right, next, configure router interfaces and also WAN link. So first of all, you need configure line interfaces. We configure the serial one, okay, with this clock rate, and then verify local connectivity. This one also is stated in packet tracer. Okay, this one you need to put the result, everything, put in the report writing. Okay, so this is very important also. Okay, to put that in the report writing. Next, in C, implement static routing and verify end-to-end. Okay, configure static route, try to find out. And then verify routing table. This also must include in the report. Use the show IP route command on both routers to ensure the newly added static route with mark as appear on correctly in the routing table. And finally, verify end-to-end connectivity. This one also stated packet traces. So this proving or verifications activity you have to put in your report. Yeah. And then there's some reflection question. Please go through that, answer accordingly, and then send. Because we are using very interesting, because we are using statics. So what happens if we're using this dynamic routing or EGRP? All right. Okay. So deliverable is your PK file. Make sure you try to get high as much as highest or 100%. Okay. Okay. And then both writings must include the packet tracer number in your report writing. Question 5 you need to answer, and all evidence of verifications. Okay, there's no rubric, but this one is practicing, but I want to make sure PKA 100% achievement and also report writing. Okay, one PKA not necessarily will get 100%, but report writing will represent everything, especially on troubleshooting. This one is configuring, but maybe there's some missing IP address. Please double check that. Okay, this is a common because I'm preparing this. So any feedback, welcome from you. Okay, all right. Thank you and good luck, guys. Okay, assalamualaikum. Bye bye.